Tot seguit actuen les Benjamines A del Club Muntanyenc Sant Cugat.
Boppy Betty, bitty boppy Betty, bitty boppy Betty boo boo. On weekend she's your honey, then comes Monday, and that'll be sir to you.
Bitty boppy Betty, what a bouncy beauty, so sophisticated and refined. She's a boy who doesn't show it, and though the guys all know it, none of them seems to mind. When Betty starts a bopping, the joint starts a hopping. She can twist and bend the whole night through. You really can't ignore her, and if you don't adore her, there might be something wrong with you. Monday's bright and early, Betty's back to Billy, working hard on behalf of our town, upholding law and order, talking to reporters, and keeping us safe and sound. If there's a moral to this ditty, it's not to judge Betty, Billy, or anyone, 'cause life's a lot richer with a healthy mixture, not to mention lots more fun.
Bitty boppy Betty, bitty boppy Betty, bitty boppy Betty boo boo. On weekend she's your honey, then comes Monday, and that'll be sir to you.